The Prime Minister is in Surat. He's on a two-day visit in Gujarat, in Surat there, and he's begun his visit with a massive roadshow from the airport to the Circuit House. It's an 11-kilometer stretch, and as you can see, major preparations have been made to welcome the Prime Minister there in Surat, and major crowds have also gathered. The Prime Minister has a detailed program over the next 2 days. He will be visiting several areas, launching government projects, and also launching several government initiatives. He laid the foundation for irrigation schemes, inaugurate a drinking water scheme, as well as inaugurate a multi-speciality hospital. Well, let's go across to Rohit Bhan, who is waiting there at one part of this 11-kilometer stretch that the Prime Minister is going to take to the Circuit House. Rohit, and the Prime Minister hasn't crossed you yet. So tell us about these preparations and how significant this visit is, because the eye is really on the Gujarat elections later this year.
That's right, Gargi. In fact, if I can give you a sense of the kind of enthusiasm his visit has generated, you can see he's still to arrive. We have at Piplod. We expect him in another 5-10 minutes, but as you can see, large number of people who've gathered here. And some half an hour back, the policemen were not allowing people around this, but now, given the fact that large numbers of them have assembled, they are allowing these people right up to the route of the Prime Minister. On the other side of the road, I can see people already lined up shouting slogans of the Prime Minister, Modi, Modi. And in fact, some distance from where I am, he will be meeting some handicapped children. In fact, that's part of his plan. He will be, I think, he'll stop here for some time before he moves on. But as you can see, the build-up has been massive. In fact, right from the airport to the point where I am at Piplod, a large number of people have gathered here. Thousands of them lined up on both sides of the route, trying to have a glimpse of the Prime Minister. Several thousand policemen have been deployed to ensure there's no law and order trouble. In fact, if you remember, last time when the national president of the BJP, Amit Shah, had attended a program here in Surat, there was a lot of ruckus there. Some agitating partidars had, in fact, raised slogans and also broken chairs and all at that venue. And that's why no chances being taken here at this rally. And that's why you find so many police personnel who have been deployed here, trying to ensure that there's no trouble during the Prime Minister's road show. Around 30% of the route he's already covered. Now the remaining, he moves towards the Circuit House area in Surat, where he'll be holding a meeting with the Chief Minister and also other important BJP leaders. As I mentioned, very significant politically, for the fact that some months from now there will be election. The party already has gone into a campaign mode, making the Prime Minister himself as the face of the election. He's been the face of the party since the last 14-15 years when he was the Chief Minister of the state. The party clearly maintaining that he is going to be the face of these elections as we go into the State Assembly poll this year end, and that's why every time he comes to the state, every time there is a visit, this being his 8th in the last 9 months, the party goes all out to showcase him as the face of its campaign. And that's essentially what the party aims to achieve through this roadshow. This is the first roadshow ever since he's become the Prime Minister in his home state. The elections are due this year end. Through the roadshow, he held one in Bhubaneswar. But remember, this is a state which is going to the poll year end, and it's very important for the BJP to register an emphatic win in the Prime Minister home state, because any setback, as I mentioned, would really send across a wrong signal as we head towards the Lok Sabha polls in 2019. So the party is going all out. The National Party President Amit Shah has been visiting the state very frequently. In fact, he was here in the state in Ahmedabad just a few days back, and now the Prime Minister himself coming not just to Surat but also parts of South Gujarat and Saurashtra. So clearly a lot of political importance being attached to this particular visit of the Prime Minister. The roadshow, in essence, has galvanized, has activated the party cadre. In fact, thousands of bikers, as you saw some time back, one part of the bikers rally already has moved through this area, a particular point where I'm standing, and we're waiting for another section of the bikers to cross, and then subsequently the Prime Minister will emerge in his open jeep where he started off from the Surat airport. And along the route there are thousands of people who have gathered here, and along this route of today's roadshow and also tomorrow, there are certain areas, certain pockets which have some Patidar presence. So clearly the party trying to send across a signal, not just to the electorally important Surat constituency, but also other parts of central and south Gujarat region, that they are trying to reach out. They have started out quite early, got into the campaign mode, so that they encash on it politically. Mind you, the momentum was brought by the success in the Uttar Pradesh polls. In fact, before the Uttar Pradesh election, the results came in, the state unit has been facing lots of problems in terms of the agitation of the Patidars and also the Dalits. There seemed to be some amount of confusion how to tackle it, but the Uttar Pradesh polls has given them a new momentum. And now the party wants to utilize Mr. Modi's presence here whenever he comes to the state to encash on this visit politically.